Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to find trending products on TikTok for you to sell on Shopify and any other e-commerce website. Now with that being said, let's head on to our computer browser and go to the Google website. That's www.google.com. Now go to the search bar right here, and all you have to do is to type in this code right here. It is site apostrophe tiktok.com space in URL apostrophe backslash video backslash. So let's type on this real quick. That is site apostrophe tiktok.com space in URL apostrophe backslash video backslash. Now once you type this, automatically once you press enter, Google will give you a results only based on TikTok videos. So this is very specific. Once you type this, Google will generate a lot of videos from TikTok. Now next is to click on double space right here, and once you have done that, just enter any hashtag that you want to enter. Now there are a lot of trending hashtags in TikTok right now, and I don't know all of them, but I have limited it down to 3. So I have 3 hashtags right here, like TikTok made me buy it, hashtag must have, hashtag Amazon finds. So let's try this first hashtag right here, and make sure once you enter it, make sure to have multiple spaces or at least double space. So let's head on to hashtag and TikTok made me buy it. Just press on enter, and as you can see right here, I have 6 million results, and there are a lot of videos that TikTok has regarding on this hashtag. So for now, let's click on this one. I'm just gonna lower my volume right here to avoid disturbance. So let's find this one. So as you can see, this video is methods to find, like this for drop shipping. So as you can see, the hashtag right here, like TikTok made me buy it. So this has been generated because I type on this hashtag. Now next, let's head on to this video. This is I don't know what this is, but this is a humidifier. As you can see, there is 200.5k likes, and I think there is a share right here that is around 1160. So you can take advantage on this and find this product. So this video is all about giving you an idea on what are the trending products on TikTok right about now. So if you want to sell something like this on Shopify, you can go to Deezer's, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, and just find this certain product like a humidifier, and you can now sell this on Shopify. So moving on, another one, let's head on to this video right here. I'm going to open this link in new tab. And as you can see, I think these are some lights for your computer, and it has 3.3 million views. So if you can take advantage of that as well, there are a lot of people who like this. So basically, I think all people don't really watch this video. So if you have 3.3 million likes, maybe this video has around, I think, 5-6 million views. So again, a look at this. This is very nice. It is a music generator. Like if you play a music, the music will, as you can see right here, the music will have a wave effect once you play it like that. So moving on to another hashtag right here. Let's say must have. So I'm just gonna copy this one and make sure to have multiple spaces like that. Let's space hashtag must have. So I'm just gonna hit on enter. There you have it. I have a lot of videos that has must have. So I have a 1,420 results. So I'm just gonna click on this. Let's see this video. So this is all about a gym. So let's find another video about a must have. So as you can see, let's try this video. Or let's go to another page right here. So let's try this video. So these are only have 13 likes. So I highly suggest once you enter a hashtag right here, just watch the videos that has a lot of likes, and automatically once you have a lot of likes videos, this video also have a lot of shares. So to my avail, I don't really have best results on must have. So let's try another hashtag right here, like Amazon finds. Just gonna copy this hashtag right here, and again make sure to have multiple spaces after the backslash right here, and click on Amazon finds. Let's hit on answer. Just click on I'm a robot right here, and there you have it. As you can see, these have 4.3 million likes. So let's head on to this video. So as you can see, these are 10 useful Amazon products that this certain person has bought. So you can actually take advantage on this and list this all you want. So they have an electric lighter. So these are some trending products that you can actually sell on your e-commerce shop like Shopify, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, and any other e-commerce website. So these has 4.5 million likes. So around I think this video has a view of maybe around 8 million or something, because as you can see, not all people would like this video or like a video based on TikTok. So next, if you want to find a certain product or a certain category on TikTok videos, all you have to do is let's retain our hashtag right here, like hashtag Amazon finds or hashtag must have, hashtag TikTok made me buy it. So for now, let's just use this hashtag Amazon finds and hit on space or double space, or you can have multiple spaces like that, and copy this code right here, this in-text apostrophe. So once I have done that, just go to a colon right here, and for example, let's say I'm gonna find a category based on clothing. So I'm just gonna type on clothing and then close that with another colon or parenthesis and hit on enter. So as you can see, TikTok generates a lot of clothing video. So let's just open this video right here. So it only has 76 likes. So let's try kitchen appliances. So I'm just gonna put kitchen appliances right about there, and there you have it. We have generated 6,590 results. So this search code or the search code right here is very much specific. It only generates videos, and if you put on this hashtag, it only generates a video that has these hashtags. And once you put on the in-text, it only generates that certain category of the video. So let's try this one. So as you can see, this has 8,000 likes. So these are Amazon kitchen hacks right about there. And here, these are 10 kitchen appliances that TikTok made me buy on Amazon finds. So let's click on this. As you can see, these are 7,224 likes. So just watch this video, and this video will give you an idea on what you can share. So, I mean, what you can sell. So this is a popcorn maker right here, and next is a waffle maker. So once you have done that, you can actually go to Deezer, Shopify again, and drop shipping websites. Just search for a certain appliances that has given you, or that TikTok has given you an idea, and all you have to do is integrate that to your Shopify store. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below, and I will try to answer them as quickly as I can. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!